इसहाक भाई साहब, जनाब आमिर साहब, जनाब मुस्तफा भाई साहब, जनाब आमिर साहब, जनाब मोहम्मद भाई साहब, अंजुमन मोहम्मदी, अंजुमन वजीही, अंजुमन दाऊदी and उमूर साहब. Team list: Huzefa Udaipur from Bangalore, Huzefa Jodhpur from Secunderabad, Hatim Rampura from Hyderabad, Aliasgar Siamwala from Coimbatore, Dawood from Vizag, Tahir Hyderwala from Chennai, Aliasgar Jalal from Chennai, Hussain Haryana from Chennai. Sorry, Huzefa Ahmed from Bangalore. This event is possible. This fun is possible. This excitement is possible. This awareness about that. We, Global Chennai, take this opportunity to thank our sponsors and give them memento on behalf of us. We call upon Mullah Huzefa Bhai Kitabi to give memento to Polygram Brothers, our board sponsors. Our team sponsors, Babji Hardware, Murtuza Bhai Sabuwala. We call Hussain Bhai Siamwala to give away the memento to Babji Hardware. Hussain Bhai, please stay there. Hussain Bhai, one of our sponsors unfortunately couldn't make it, so I request Mufadada Electric Wala to collect Western Hardware Mart's memento. Western Hardware, our team sponsor. Next, Delight Food Products, their brand Tasneem, Yusuf Bhai Rahimjwala. We call Yusuf Izzi from Toloba Dawoodi to present this memento. Yusuf Bhai Izzi. Please stay, Yusuf Bhai. Next is our media partner, without whom all this event, this live relay was not possible. We call Mufaddal Bhai Madraswala, Studio 53. Yusuf Bhai Izzi, kindly present this award. Yusuf Bhai Izzi. Studio 53. Guys, I am reminded of one very important aspect of today's event, and that is the relay. So professional the relay was, and this was possible because of 6,000 people or maybe even more watched today the entire event. And we especially thank Abbas Jamnagarwala and Ali Asghar. Ali, where are you, Ali? Ali Hussain Lokalwala. And this is not enough. We should give them 3 cheers, guys. 3 cheers for Abbas and Ali. This is Ali Abbas. They have worked really hard. The system was highly professional, and we were thinking as if we are saving a real big time event. 3 cheers for Abbas and Ali. Moving on to the man of the match of semi-final 1, which was between Chennai Dawoodi and Chennai Mohammadi. Hamza Pinbarwala. We call Quresh Bhai Dodamwala to present this award. Quresh Bhai.
defense and took 1 wicket. Next, we invite Mullah Mustafa Bhai Rangunwala to present the semi-final 2 award, which was between Chennai Jamaat and Coimbatore. Abbas Doliwala for his 35 runs and 1 wicket.
Huzefa Bhai Hamid from Bangalore. Huzefa Bhai Hamid from Bangalore and Juzar El Haji. Huzefa Bhai from Bangalore, and at this moment I request the team captains or the managers or somebody from the team to also share your experience in about a minute or a minute and a half.
Ammar.
Juzar Haji, please give us the keep momentum. Check. Mike.
Never expected. Very first time. Simply superb. I enjoyed a lot. We enjoyed a lot. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Hussain Jodhpur from Secunderabad. So give the momentum. Huzefa Radanpur from Jimana Dawoodi. Huzefa Radanpur. Huzefa Bhai Radanpur. Hussain Bhai Jodhpur, please share your experience. Abbas, mic apo.
The tournament was very well organized. But then घनी मजा भी है. Everyone had something to do and something to share. इतलो फाइन ऑर्गनाइजर लोग एक वस्तु फ्रॉम पिकअप टू ड्रॉप અને આપણે જે રૂમમાં આવા એકદમ એક્સપિરિયન્સ ઘણું ફાઇન હતો મારું એકદમ ઘણી મજા આવી અને શાયદ હવે કાલે આ લોકો લઈ જશે બધા
Thank you so much. Hatim Bhai Rampura Hyderabad. Hatim Bhai Rampura Hyderabad to give away the momentum to Saifuddin Bhai Hakim.
Bhai, Hyderabadi language. Hyderabadi language. Bhai, Hyderabadi language. Nako.
Saifuddin Hakim.
Hatim, Hyderabadi language, huh? Hyderabadi. हाँ भैया माइक संभाल लिया आज में हम तो जीते नहीं तुमको भी जीतने नहीं देंगे
Please give the mic.
हैदराबादी लैंग्वेज
Mic on છે શાયદ.
वॉल्यूम
Bhai volume.
भाई एक सेकंड एक मिनट
हाँ mic.
જેમ ભાઈ સાહેબે ફરમાવ્યું કે આ એટલું ફાઇન બહેતરીન તળાવ ચેન્નઈ આ સ્પોર્ટ્સ કોમ્પ્લેક્સ આ બનાવ્યું છે તો જેમ ભાઈ સાહેબની મંશા હતી કે સગળા તળાવોના પ્લેયર એક પ્લેટફોર્મ પર મળે અને એક સ્પોર્ટ્સ અને હેલ્થનો અવેરનેસ પ્રોગ્રામ થાય તો આજે લાઈવ મંજર આપણા સામે છે આવા ઘણા કમ મોકે મળે છે આમ તો ખિદમતમાં આપણે જમે થાય છે એટલે સ્પોર્ટ્સ પાછું ના જોવા મળે. અને હવે ઓર્ગેનાઇઝિંગ પાર્ટ પર મેં કહું કે ઇટ વોઝ સો બ્યુટિફુલી ઓર્ગેનાઇઝડ. એટલે they perfectly had all the precautions. Almost they had the bio bubble in place કે તમને બહાર નીકળવાની જરૂરત નહીં પડે. Everything will be on your doorstep. And truly the team managers held their responsibility in the perfect way. Thank you so much. And also Chennai, they perfectly, એટલે we also organize tournaments at our venues, at our places on a small basis. So we know how hard it is to get the sponsors, how hard it is to get the tournament organized and all. So a great this thing, a great cheer for Tolova Chennai for organizing this show event. Thank you so much. Only beyond expectations.
One of our sponsors is back, and we would like to offer our thanks by giving them a memento. Brothers Spain Shabir Bhai, please come, and Ali Asghar Bhai Marhaba, would you give away the memento, please? We would take this opportunity also to extend our sincere most thanks to MSB School Management, without whose support this event would not have come possible. We would like to give away our thanks by presenting a small memento to Huzaifah Bhai Darbar and Juzair Bhai Haji. Ali Asghar Bhai Marhaba, please give away the memento. Daud Bhai from Vizag, get ready. Hasan Bhai Kolkata, get ready. Hasni Bhai. तो कौन? Ali Asghar Siamwala from Coimbatore, please. Ali Asghar Bhai Siamwala from Coimbatore, and give away the memento. Sadiq Bhai Kayam Khani. भाई माइक आपो.
પહેલા તો આઈ કંગ્રેચ્યુલેટ ધ હોલ તોલોબા ચેન્નઈ જે ઓર્ગેનાઇઝ કર્યું. આ એકદમ સુપર ઇવેન્ટ હતું, એકદમ મજા આવી. લાઈક આઈ કંગ્રેચ્યુલેટ હોલ તોલોબા ઈચ એન્ડ એવરી મેમ્બર કે આપણે આ ટીસમમાં બધા તોલોબા મેમ્બર્સ એકસાથે મળીને એકદમ ફાઇનથી એકબીજાને જાણીને અને રમીને એકદમ બધા ખુશ થયા. અને अपनी इवन एकदम हैप्पी हूँ कि जे कोयम्बटूर टीम अपना GTM एनु भी एक हैप्पीनेस है. तो आई जस्ट कॉन्ग्रेचुलेट ईच एंड एवरी कोला मेंबर, भाई साहब एंड एवरीवन हु मेड दिस इवेंट वेरी सक्सेसफुल. थैंक यू
so much. Vizag, Daud from Vizag. Fakhri Bhai, please give a memento to Vizag team. And Vizag is a youngest team, average 18 years se bada. So they do deserve a huge round of applause, guys.
ઘણી મજા આવી અમારા લોકોને રમતા. આ અમારું બધાનું ફર્સ્ટ ઇવેન્ટ છે જે પણ અમે લોકો ઇન્ટરનેશનલ કોઈ વાર કોઈ પણ નથી ગયું. આ અમારું ફર્સ્ટ ઇવેન્ટ હતું ને અમારે ઘણી મજા આવી, એકદમ ફાઇન ઓર્ગેનાઇઝ હતું. અમારા ટીમ મેનેજર મોહમ્મદભાઈ ને ઇસ્માઇલભાઈ, થેન્ક યુ સો મચ ફોર બીંગ અ પાર્ટ ઓફ એવરીથિંગ. સ્ટાર્ટિંગથી લઈને હમણાં સુધી કંઈ પણ જોતું હોય ખાલી એમ જ ફોન કરી નાખજો તમારે પહોંચી જશે. થેન્ક યુ સો મચ. એન્ડ ધીસ ઇઝ 3 cheers for this Toloba Chennai team. Maya! Thank you.
Chennai team Tower Horror. I would request Ashok Juzer bhai Rangunwala. Mufaddal bhai, I would request Mufaddal bhai Electric Wala to give the momentum to the team leader. भाई माइक आपने टायर में टायर की ब्रीफ
Well, good evening everyone. It has been a day full of thrill, excitement, enjoyment, and what more could be asked from this game of cricket? I just want a small feedback from all the teams with just one answer. How was your day, guys? Did you all enjoy? Seeing so many people from so many different cities coming here to play, to take part in this event is really great. Keeping in mind the pandemic time which is going on, we all as organizers, as the host team also, we were concerned that how will people come and take part in this event and how will it go. But Maulani Duasi and with God's grace, everything went really smooth. And with respect to the organizers, really hats off to our Chennai Toloba members who have organized this event in such a professional way, as everyone said, keeping in mind the relay, the scoring, and the best part was the food. What even the local team got from the morning till the end, they have taken care of all the aspects in a wonderful way. We thank Toloba Chennai for their excellent effort. And in this format, a lot of teams were really new to this format. I think they must be playing this format for the first time. But a special mention to the team of Coimbatore. In their first match, first 2 matches, I don't think that they had performed so well, but they learned the game in these 2 matches. And they came back really strong and they won the tournament. That is really wonderful. Just a big thank you to all the teams who have come over to Chennai, and I hope you guys really enjoyed and had a pleasant stay and a great day of cricket. Thank you Toloba Chennai, thank you all.
I am also reminded about one special aspect, because all the teams coming from outstation, they have cooperated so very well, and each one of you came here, and before you came here, you got your COVID test done. That was really, really supportive. From Dawoodi, Hussain, Haryana, and we would request Sheikh Ibrahim Bhai Haji to please give away the memento to the team. शेख इब्राहिम भाई हाजी ने मद्रासा मुमिनीन दिल में घनी स्पेशल जगह से हमें घना छोटा था बचपन में त्यार से अपने खिदमत करते देख रहे आज तो साथे साथे मने हमने के न्यासा बस से भी एक दूसरे ने क्रॉस हो जाऊ जो
Like every other captain said, it was well organized. It was truly well organized. But as a team player from Chennai, we used to play a lot of cricket here. But playing with other teams, it was really enjoyable. You know, it was very different experience, and we really loved it.
Chennai Mohammadi Ali Asghar by Kheralu, and I would request Yusuf by Juppi to give away the mementos. Ali Asghar by Kheralu, Yusuf Juppi. कोई बतूर तुम्हारी ट्रेन टिकट ट्रेन टाइम कितना होगा
કરવાની છે.
એઝ ઓલવેઝ ભાઈ અંડર સ્ટુડન્ટનો કોઈ પણ ટુર્નામેન્ટ કરેલું એ ફાઇન હોય અને આ વી રિયલી એન્જોય ધીસ ટુર્નામેન્ટ અને મારા ટીમમેટ્સ મારા પર ભરોસો કરીને મને કેપ્ટન બનાવો આઈ હાઈલી થેન્કફુલ ટુ ધેમ. થેન્ક યુ.
Next up, the man of the match of the finals. આ ભાઈ જે જીત્યા છે એનું તો ટુર્નામેન્ટમાં રમવાનું જ લખેલું હતું. He got his COVID report at 3 PM અને જ્યારથી એને ટીમમાં આવે કોઈમ્બતુરનું તો યુદ્ધ and they won all the matches from there. He is not only the man of the match, he is also the best bowler of the tournament. He has taken 7 wickets in 3 matches with an economy of 4.97. I request Mullah Fakhruddin Bhai Hakim to give man of the match as well as the best bowler award. Next up, best batsman. आज छेतो डलीवाला पंचे कोयम्बतूरना. He was hitting clean sixes, all straight. Abbas Bhai Delhiwala, 79 runs, best batsman. I request Brother Spade Shabir Bhai to present this award. Now the best spinner award. 9 dismissals, out of which 4 were run out and 5 run outs and 4 catches. The captain of Coimbatore, Burhanuddin Rampura. Murtaza Bhai will take this award. Next, I would request Murtaza Bhai Sabuwala, Babji Hardware, team sponsor, to give away the player of the tournament award. Our player तो बड्डी बाजू है, bowling में भी, fielding में भी, he was flying, taking catches, giving those crucial runouts, fast runs. Huzaifah Bhai Lokhandwala, player of the tournament. Next, I would like to request Yusuf Bhai Ranujwala to give away the Fair Play Award. It will be harsh to say कि खाली आज टीम फेयर प्ले थी. फेयर प्ले तो बड्डा ज करेलू, बट हंसता हंसता खुशी खुशी हारा, बड्डी मैच हारा मगर दाऊद टूबी वाला टीम भाईजान. Next, I would like to request and the runner-up trophy. Chennai Mohammadi, I'll call up the names. Please come. Huzaifah Bhai Lokhandwala, Hamza Pin, Mustafa Bhai Chechet, Hussain Bhai Wan, Murtaza Bhai Electric Wala, Mohammad Bhai Kothari, Mufaddal Lokhandwala.
Yes.
Now time for the captain to come and collect the runner-up trophy. Alias Garbai Kheraluwala. All the secretaries, please. Abbas bhai, Jamnagar wala कहाँ हो? Now time for the winners. Coimbatore, I'll call out names. Abbas bhai Daliwala, Janab Amil Sahib, Sheikh Mohammed bhai will give the trophy. Abbas bhai Daliwala, Ammar bhai Anjawala, Burhanuddin Suttarwala, Ammar bhai Pin, Shabir bhai Jamali, Murtaza bhai Sohampurwala, Hussain Dayat, Alias bhai Siyam, Bezjana. Now Ali bhai, please stay here. On behalf of Burhanuddin Rampurawala, I would like you to collect the Champions Trophy, Coimbatore. Okay, please. 3 cheers for Coimbatore.
आओ सगला आओ सर का भेसे के खड़ा है सर मैं कहीं मैं जिम हमारे किम निजाम जिम हमारे जिम निजाम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। आज आप लोगों को यहाँ पर सवार फजर से 8 टीम अक्का दिन में 8 टीम के हमें यहाँ 2 કલાક થાય છે मगर आ 2 કલાક में यहाँ पर सगला ने देखा आ टीम अने आ टीम ने जे सगला यहाँ पर बुलाया है आ मैनेजमेंट एना अंदर तोलोबा तो है एने साथे आ साहेब बीजा भी सगला यहाँ जे ए लोगों हमें आज देखूँ यहाँ पर आ 2 કલાક 2 चीज़ हासिल की 2 चीज़ एक तो गेम स्पिरिट और एक टीम स्पिरिट आ 2 चीज़ गेम स्पिरिट भी जो हमें गेम स्पिरिट ना अंदर एक नो फन हमें देखो तो जेम हमने सगला भी जिक्र करी गया इतनी खुशी की बात थी ये गेम स्पिरिट ना सबब ए लोग जैसे तो नर्वस थया ज नहीं कोई एक में भी नहीं अने हसता ज रहा सगला ज हसता रहा बीजू टीम स्पिरिट जो फ्रॉम हेड टू टेल टीम स्पिरिट भी एनु मोटू वर्क हो हमें आनंद 2 बात बीजी कही जाइस पछे ज मैं आ ट्रॉफी आपीश ट्रॉफी ने भी कीमत वधी जशे जे मैं आज देखूँ मारा दिल में एम थयुं कि आ सगला जितना यहाँ हाजिर थया छे आवी ज तरह से राजकोट ना अंदर बुरहानुद्दीन का पधारा अने वहाँ पर जो कि क्रिकेट की मैच थी थी एम अपना जता मुमिनी नता सर मौला पधारा अने जितनी देर मौला वहाँ पर आप ये क़याम फरमाए हुए तो सगला इतना खुश थे खुश तो है पर खुशी ने 4 चांद लगी गया मैं भी आज ये चाहूँ छूँ कि आ विसरसी पाछा जमा थाय आने कदर मौला तशरीफ लावे अने 4 चांद लगी जाए आपने खुदा सगला ने आ मुबारक मोहन न करे हमें अपना भाईओ जो आया है ये ट्रॉफी तो लेसे मगर तमने ये पैगाम आपे ये पैगाम आपे छे ट्रॉफी सगला वास्ते छे ट्रॉफी तो सगला वास्ते छे सगला ने पर जिंदगी में ये हुनर भी आजमाना चाहिए जिंदगी में ये हुनर भी आजमाना चाहिए जंग अपनों से हो हार जाना चाहिए हार भी जीत छे जे रनर अप छे ये भी बराबर छे બે બરાબર છે
मनीष भाई आप आइए आपके ट्रॉफी मेन स्पॉन्सर से आप आपसे आपसे आओ ना आप आओ आ इवेंट हमारा आमिर साहेब जे यहाँ रही चुका है जनाब अबी अली भाई साहेब और जनाब हमजा भाई साहेब જોઈ રહ્યા છે કોયમ્બતુરના આમિલ છે અને અમે આપને सब મુબારકબાદી આપીએ છીએ ચેન્નઈ થી કે આપની ટીમ અને અમે બી આપની ટીમ છે આ પ્રોગ્રામ ઓર્ગેનાઇઝ કરો છે અને જીતીને આપની ટીમ જઈ રહી છે And we would like to especially thank the photographer. આ તમામ આપણા સાથે જે થયું છે અને મેમરીમાં એને કેદ કરી રહ્યા છે. The videographer and our umpires for making this event a real success. Huzaifa bhai Raja wants to say a few words. Be very very brief, brother.
बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम आज स्पोर्ट्स कॉम्प्लेक्स में अपने खड़ा है एक घनी जरूरी वस्तु ये कि जो मैंने हाईलाइट करनी है कि आ स्पोर्ट्स कॉम्प्लेक्स में जो जमीन पर अपने खड़ा है ये मुफद्दल आकानी हसरत है आ मेरा विषय लगे कि आ जमीन में आ जगह में अंदर एक यूं शानदार स्पोर्ट्स कॉम्प्लेक्स कायम था मैं सगला चेन्नई का मुमिनीन बल्कि जहाँ से भी लोगों स्पोर्ट्स में एक्टिविटीज में हाजिर था सगला लुत्फ उठाई सके तो मला आपनो शुक्र अदा करिए छे मला आपने जो हसरत है અને આપણું જે સપનું હતું અમારામાં એ આજે પૂરું થયું મોટા અમે દુઆ કરીએ છીએ મોટા એક દિન આ જમીનના ઉપર આપની ઇનાયત કરેલી જગા ઉપર આપ भी तशरीफ लाओ मैं आपका दुआ करूं
I once again extend my sincere thanks the guys who are capturing these memories, the photographer, videographer and of course જે ટીમ હંમેશા પાછળ હોય છે મવાયદ ટીમ જે આપણા વાસ્તે ફજરથી ખરા પર ખરા એને ખિદમત કરી રહ્યા છે. Thank you guys from Mawai and umpires. We thank the umpires for a very sporting event. All the sponsors please come. बड़ा स्पॉन्सर मोहम्मद all the sponsors एक फोटो ले लो please come all the sponsors. मुझसे